Welcome to Doubt Forum. In this question, we have to find out the equivalent resistance between 2 points. And the question says a circuit is given in which 4 resistors of 10 ohm resistance each are connected as shown. So this is the figure. Now we are asked to find the value of resistance between point A and B. So we have to find out the equivalent resistance between point A and point B. So this is the arrangement which is given. In this arrangement, the value of each resistance is 10 ohm. Now what we are being asked, we have to find out the equivalent resistance between point A and point B. So this looks little bit confusing, but if we go with the concept, then it's very easy to find the equivalent resistance. So what we will do, we will start from point B. So this is point B, and from this point, as we move anti-clockwise or clockwise, suppose we are moving anti-clockwise, so from point B, if we move to this point, we have find that there is no resistor connected. When there is no resistor connected, it means the voltage drop in this branch will be 0. So the potential of this point will be equal to this point. And if we move further, we can see that still we find no resistor connected in this branch. So the voltage drop in this branch will be 0. So the potential of this point will be same as of this point or as of this point. Similarly, if we move further, we find that there is no resistor connected in this branch. So the value of potential drop in this branch will be 0. So the value of potential in this point will be same as of this point, as of this point, or as of this point. So from here we can conclude that this point and this point and this point and this point, these are the same. So we can connect this resistor here, 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 or here. This will make no difference. Similarly, we can connect this resistor. We can connect it here, we can connect it here, we can connect it here, we can connect it here. So this will not make any difference. Similarly is with this point. Suppose in place of connecting this resistor here, what we can do, we can replace this and we can connect like this. Because this point and this point has the same potential. Similarly, instead of connecting this resistor here, what we can do, we can just move it and we can connect this point or this end of this resistor here. So like this. Similarly, we can also connect this resistor. We can remove it from here and this point we can connect it here. So this will look like this. Now, to simplify, if this is our point A, so this will be the resistor, this one. This will be this one. This will be the third one, and now finally the fourth one. So this will look like this. The value of each resistor is 10 ohm, 10 ohm, 10 ohm, and 10 ohm. And as we can see here that all the 4 resistors are connected in parallel. So the equivalent resistance between A and B will be, if these are in parallel of same value, so it will be R by 4. R is 10 divided by 4. This will be 2.5 ohm. So the equivalent resistance between point A and B will be 2.5 ohm. Okay, so thank you for watching. See you in the next video.